Hey guys, this is Piano Green and this is Python for Beginners for Kids. And this is the third video. Please watch the other ones if you haven't already watched them, because you'll find that very useful. And today I have a riddle for you that I just made up in 2 seconds. Anyway, so it is, what is in all programming languages? Yeah, think about that. And what is always really annoying, but it's always there? And the answer is bugs. Bugs is a programmer's worst nightmare, and you need to be careful of it. So today I'm showing you about the different types of errors and how to correct them. So I'm going to just do something. So basically here, the first one on the top line is a syntax error, which is means it's got the wrong syntax. So can you spot the error in here? Well, anyway, I'll tell you the answer. The answer is there should be a quote mark there. And then I've corrected it. Yay. Because the thing will detect an error, and then it won't let you do the program because there's an error. But now I fixed the error, it will work like fine. So second one is a runtime error, and I think you can see the thing that's wrong. If you haven't already, I'm waiting for you to find it out. Anyway, you guessed it, it's because silly Piano Green spelt user wrong. I don't think anybody would spell user like that, so I will just change that. Blah blah. And then, yeah. So a runtime error is when it checks the interpreter checks the all of this. It detects no error, but then when it's running, it'll say that, oh, they spelled user wrong, although I've just corrected it. And oh, that variable isn't actually a thing, so it'll go like in the shell it'll say something. I forgot what it say. Or just say something, and then you have to check through the whole thing and then find the error. Okay, so the third one is harder to find. It is a semantic error. So basically, it's when it does an unexpected outcome. Like basically, if you thought 192 is 5, nobody would think that. But if you thought it was 5, then you thought this would outcome to 5, but then it prints 3, then you'll be like, what's going on? It should print 5, but I think you have problems if you really honestly think that. Anyway, so to correct this, you just simple maths. Piano Green knows simple maths. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Please subscribe, it's in the corner here, unless you're on TV or phone, and hit the like button, because Piano Green would be very happy. See, look, he's going to do a smiley face right now. See, that's what he looks like when you hit the like button, but this is what he looks like when you don't hit the like button. See, you don't want a sad Piano Green, do you? You don't want to be hearing me sad when I make a video. So you want a happy Piano Green. Yay! Anyway, I guess I just end it there.